Learn the secret of Partimenti with me and Fenaroli. The scale in the first position. So let's talk now about the rule of the octave. Now we could read all of this, but it's just a description of what's happening in terms of interval. So it's better if we directly analyze what we have on the score. So okay, perfect. So in the first position, remember, we'll start with the octave in the top, this way. So we'll put 3, 5, 8, 4, 3, 4, 6, 8, 3, 6, 6, 8, 3, 5. So in this case, as Fenaroli wants, we are not in an environment polyphonic friendly. We are on a keyboard friendly realization. So you can also pass to 3, 4 voices, from 3 to 4 voices in your right hand. Then 5, 8, 3, 6, I'm just counting, 6 over the bass. This is an octave, and then you have a third. 5, 6, octave, 3, and resolution, this way. This way, nothing more. This is the first position. Fa, mi, fa, fa, mi. What I suggest in the Partimento method, the course where you can learn to compose music in the ancient way, is that you give the name of the notes to your practice. For example, you can sing the top voice using solmization, hexachordal solmization, which is always the same. Fa, fa, mi, fa, sol, fa. This way it's easy for you to remember the melody. Fa, mi, fa, sol, fa. Yes. Regarding the fingering of the right hand, this will be best be taught in person by a learned maestro. Since keys in the major and minor modes require different arrangements of the fingers, the long and tedious explanations that would be required would likewise necessarily confuse the mind of a beginner. Hence, this task is a reminder to the care and wisdom of maestros. Yes, if you already play the piano, you know how to put the fingering. Otherwise, in the Partimento method, you can find all the scales where you can write down. I show you the rule of the octaves, and then after this you can also come on. Okay. You can also where is it? Here? No. Here. Write down your fingering. So let's go to chapter 5, where we have the rule of the octaves. In the last stage, where you have the complete rule of the octave, you have first position. Okay, so writing down helps you to better remember where is the position of each note. Play and write, both exercises are important to learn these things. And so you can also write the position of your fingers, maybe 1, 3, 5, 3, 4, 6, 8, 3, 8, 3, 6, this way. At the right of each note you can also put that. Then let's see the descending scale. So in the descending scale we have 3, 5, 8, then 6, 3, 5, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, 3, 4, 8, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6, 6, 3, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 5, 8. This way, very easy. Then let's move on to the second position. In the second position we have 3 8 5 8 3 3 4 8 3 4 4 6 8 3 3 6 8 3 5 6 8 3 5 6 3 6 8 3 5 5 8 3, this way. Then we have second position. Now descending 5 8 3 6 8 3. As you can see, in the keyboard friendly realization you won't care about parallel octaves, because you are just filling up the harmony, you are just creating something which can resound in the within the complete harmony. Then 3 4 6 8 4 3 3 4 5 2 4 6 3 6 8 4 6 3 4 6 8 3 5 8 3. This way. La sol 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 la fa la. And then we have the third position, so with the fifth in the top voice, this way. 8 3 5 6 8 4 3 4. It's very useful, this exercise of saying the numbers. Do it. 6 8 3 5 6 8 3 3 5 8 3 6 3 5 6 8 3 5. Yes, and now you can also imagine a melody, so sol 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 la sol fa sol sol. Then descending 8 3 8 3 5 3 6 3 4 6 3 5 8 2 4 6 6 8 3 6 8 3 4 8 3 5. This way. Sol sol fa sol 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 sol. This way. And then we have only one case of the minor scale, and let's read it because it's very important. One also performs the minor scale in all three positions with the same hand positions. An exception is that one does not place the octave above the sixth when it descends to the fifth. Instead, one gives only the augmented sixth, third and fourth. Let's see. We are talking about this point. Here in the descending scale, as you can see, over the sixth minor, we don't have the octave because we have the augmented sixth. In the previous version, over the sixth degree, for example here, let's take the second position, we always had the octave. In this case, we can't have it because we'll put the augmented sixth this way. So this is not so elegant. Much better. Fa mi 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 fa sol fa. This way. So also observe that one can place the fourth together with the minor third and major sixth above the second. The fourth with the minor third and the major sixth, yes, okay, but this is something we have been doing also in the previous scale. So what's the problem? Boo. Okay. And in scalar passages, this is ascending from 1 to 3 and descending from 3 to 1. Yes, descending and also ascending. So this part and this part. Yes. In other cases, the second degree requires only the third and major sixth. Okay, it's saying that in other cases where you don't have the passage from 1 to 3, you should put only the third and the sixth. Let's imagine the Mayer. Yeah, in the Mayer, actually, since you have this, it's quite similar. Let's take another pattern. For example, it can be another movement. Yes, 1, 2, and then 6 degree. In this case, it's not good to have the fourth. The fourth is good in this case because it can be, you can bring it during the scale. But if you have another lip, for example, it's better to have only the third and the sixth. For example, for those who wish to learn quickly to play figured partimenti, so partimenti con I numeri, so figurati without the diminution, so not partimenti diminuiti. So for example, like durante, it's a partimento diminuito with melodies and other things. Well, they should diligently join the Partimento method. Exactly, yes, it's saying study scales in all the keys and in all the positions, that's true, but they also should learn with the Partimento method, because we start, instead of 3 voices in general, 3 or 4 voices, we start from 2 voices, because it's more important, in my opinion, according to Bach, so not the last pirla arrived on the world, that the melodic movement of each voice is very important, or even in a choral harmonization, you have to pay attention to the melody. So if you start with 2-part harmony, when you will pass to 3-part, you'll have a better visualization in mind, and then the ability to play harmony with only 2 parts in total, and then you have another voice and then another more voice. This way, in my opinion, this is a best way to approach composition and improvisation. But in any case, what Fenaroli said, to practice the scales through all the keys and through all the positions, is something necessary and useful. Just the Partimento method is in chapter 5, because I prefer our approach and arrive to this topic, this practice, after have been practicing other kind of exercise. But in any case, practice the rule of the octaves in all the positions and in all the keys. This way, and of course, see you here for another video.
You're a musician, you play an instrument and you compose music, but you want more. You want to know all the secrets of harmony and learn the most magical techniques of counterpoint to compose true masterpieces. Access dozens of free music composition lessons now. Lessons and resources based on the ancient method of Partimenti. Click here to create your free account. Don't compose without a method. Compose with the Partimento method. Colors help you visualize better. Colors help you imagine better. Colors help you understand better. The same goes for the Partimento method. All the colors will help you to visualize the melodies better. All the colors will help you to imagine the many combinations of patterns.
All the colors will help you understand counterpoint better. Free your creativity. Liberate your voice. Make magic with your music. Create your free account now and start your magical adventure in the Partimento method.
I have defiant music in mind. A music that's not confined to institutions and academies for the chosen few, but that lives in the hearts of those who feel called by a mission. A music that is not about credit, exams, and loyalty points, but is built on study, love, dedication, passion, connection. A music that doesn't insult your intelligence and your creativity. You have to do this way because it's always been done this way. But a magical world to explore, full of enchanted forests and mystical paths to draw. Maybe this music is not for everyone. No. It's for those who aren't satisfied with the way things are today. For those who rebel against what and how we are taught in the education system. For those who want to see meanings beyond the notes. This is our music. The music of musici pratici. And you? Are you a musicus practicus?